Hello good fellows, my name is Gabriel Zambrano, and today we're going to be talking about Mother Nature number one creation, the ozone layer by Gabriel Zambrano. First of all, the atmosphere is 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, and the rest is invasive gases. The ozone layer is mostly made out of ozone molecules, but there's still a lot of molecules in there, like oxygen, carbon tetrachloride, and methanol bromide, and etc. But today we're going to stick with the basics: oxygen and ozone. Further to explain ozone, ozone is made out of 3 oxygen atoms, 2 of them having double bonds and 1 singular bond. Each angle is greater than 109.5 degrees. Then to oxygen, O2. O2 has a double bond with degrees of 180. Boom, bow. These molecules float around in the ozone layer. In the ozone layer, the sun's rays beam down on them, which gives them energy to move. For example, sun UV reacts with O2, which breaks off molecules into a singular oxygen atom. Surprisingly, O2 reacts with the singular oxygen atom to create ozone. This is called the ozone-oxygen cycle. Remember this equation: 3O2 equals 2O3. Used in references later. Sadly, the ozone layer has been dying slowly due to man-made gases, such as carbon monoxide and chlorofluorocarbons. The reasons why they're so dangerous to the ozone layer is because they create bonds with oxygen atoms. For example, CO plus O3 equals CO2 plus O2, which disrupts the ozone-oxygen cycle. This is my favorite representation right here. This is a chlorofluorocarbon molecule. So it's FCCl. Then the sun gives them enough energy for the Cl to move freely. Then the Cl reacts with O3, which creates ClO with O2, and then O plus ClO equals O2 and Cl. And this chlorine atom just keeps on going and going, and it can destroy about 100,000 bonds. Fun fact from cat: chlorofluorocarbons were found in spray bottles. That was until it got banned in 1990 by the Clean Air Act. Got to turn these boys in sports mode. Remember that 3O2 equals 2O3 equation? Now it's back, but for thermodynamics, you already know. So the entropy of this equation is 137.8 joules per mole K. And the equation is right here: 3 times 205.2 minus 2 times 238.9, which equals 137.8 joules per mole. You already know, which is the endothermic reaction, which means it absorbs heat. Next, another reaction is Cl plus O3, which equals ClO plus O2. The equation is quite simple: 165.2 plus 238.9 minus 226.6 plus 205.2, which equals negative 27.7, which is an exothermic reaction, which releases heat. Trivia. Easy mode. You already know. What is the most common gas in the ozone layer? A, nitrogen. B, chlorine. C, ozone, or D, bromine? Answer. Trivia, medium. What was the act made in 1990? Banning chlorofluorocarbons. A, Environmental Act. B, the Clean Act. C, the Ozone Protection Act. Or D, the Act of 1990. Trivia. Hard. What is the entropy? And is it exothermic or endothermic of this reaction? Cl plus O3 equals ClO plus O2. A, negative 27.7 endothermic. B, negative 28.7 endothermic. C, negative 27.7 exothermic. Or D, negative 28.7 exothermic. Swipe, next please. So Gabe's going around showing his module right now. Future Gabe, if you have any questions, ask him. We out.